If you're messing with subcooling for thermostatic expansion valves and superheat for fixed orifice systems, quick reference guides can be your secret weapon when frozen evaporator coils show up. Okay, so first off, these guides lay out the exact steps to check your system performance without guessing. You know, like measuring the subcooling right after the condenser or checking superheat at the evaporator outlet. They'll help you spot if your TXV is starving the coil or if the fixed orifice is just not letting enough refrigerant through. Plus, they break down what specific numbers mean in real-life conditions, so you don't have to guess if your coil's frozen because of low refrigerant charge or something else. When you follow these steps one by one, you get a clear picture of what's causing those ice blocks without wasting time. Also, these guides list common causes like dirty filters or airflow issues that might be messing with your diagnostics. Using them means you can nail down problems faster and avoid swapping parts that don't need fixing. It's like having a pro technician walk you through the troubleshooting process, even if you're still learning. One of the biggest mistakes people make with subcooling and superheat when dealing with frozen coils is not understanding the difference between TXV and fixed orifice systems. Mixing those up leads to wrong readings and delayed fixes. Another common issue is skipping airflow checks. Even perfect refrigerant measurements won't help if your coil isn't getting enough air. The third mistake is ignoring the impact of dirty or clogged filters and coils on your diagnostics, which can throw off subcooling and superheat numbers and cause you to chase ghosts. To fix these, always confirm your system type before testing, measure airflow alongside refrigerant properties, and clean your components regularly to get accurate readings. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trustworthy local contractors who actually know their stuff for projects like HVAC repairs or upgrades. At the same time, it gives contractors a simple way to connect with real customers needing their skills, making it easier to get work done right and fast.